Hello, let me tell you a little bit about why I go fishing here in where I live. As you can tell, there's a beautiful sun. I think I just saw a UFO going by. I'm gonna make this video even better. I'm gonna recite a poem. I think that I shall never see a poem as lovely as a tree. A tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair, upon whose bosom snow has intimately lain. A tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweet flowing breast. Poems are made by fools like me, but only God can make a tree. By Joyce Kilmer. You want another poem? I learned this one from the Andy Griffith Show. Ernest T. Bass taught me this. Ready? Duck stand still, catch him by the bill. You know which armpit is my favorite? Ain't you relaxed? This here's good therapy for you. Duck stand still, catch him by the bill. I already said that. You thought I was going to say another one. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate your attendance. We have gathered here to witness the sunset. It's the most specific, spectacular establishment that we have ever seen. And enjoy yourself the rest of the day.